There's a moment that doesn't get talked about. It's not dramatic, it doesn't come with panic, it doesn't feel like failure, it feels distant. Like you're living your life from a few steps behind yourself. You're there, but not fully present. Doing things, but not choosing them. And slowly, without noticing, you start losing yourself. I didn't lose myself all at once. There was no collapse, no big mistake, no clear turning point. Life just became efficient. I woke up, did what needed to be done, handled responsibilities. From the outside, everything looked fine. But inside, something felt muted. I wasn't excited, I wasn't devastated, I was just existing. And existence without intention is where identity quietly fades. You don't lose yourself by doing something wrong. You lose yourself by ignoring what feels right, by staying silent when something bothers you, by agreeing when you don't mean it, by choosing peace over honesty again and again. Each decision feels small, harmless, but your mind remembers. And over time, you stop recognizing your own reactions, not because you changed, but because you stopped listening. Failure hurts, but failure also tells you something is wrong. This feeling doesn't hurt loudly, it numbs. And numbness is dangerous because it convinces you nothing needs to change. You're not unhappy enough to leave, not motivated enough to grow, just comfortable enough to stay. And that's where most people spend their lives. At some point, I realized something uncomfortable. I wasn't being dishonest with others, I was being dishonest with myself. I had learned how to perform the version of me that people expected, calm, capable, low maintenance. But performance drains energy. That's why rest didn't help anymore, because the exhaustion wasn't physical, it was identity fatigue. Because fixing it costs something. It costs approval, it costs comfort, it costs certainty. You have to disappoint people, you have to feel awkward, you have to choose discomfort without applause. So most people don't change, not because they can't, because pretending is easier than rebuilding. Alignment doesn't start with confidence, it starts with honesty. When you admit, this doesn't fit me anymore. When you stop explaining your choices, when you act smaller but truer. The shift is quiet, but suddenly you feel clearer, not lighter, clearer. And clarity brings peace. It's not dramatic, it's saying no when you mean no. It's doing one difficult thing you've been avoiding. It's keeping one promise to yourself tonight. That's it. Identity doesn't return through motivation, it returns through integrity. You're not lost. You're just living a life that no longer reflects who you're becoming. And the moment you stop performing, you don't become louder, you become real. And real is where peace lives.